Hello all, I am Dr. Kunju Moideen. I am from Kerala, practicing at ARMC IVF Fertility Center at Calicut and Perindalmanna. And I am also the Joint Secretary of Indian Fertility Society and the President of Perindalmanna ONG Society. On 2nd September, 3 p.m., we are going to speak about endometriosis and infertility. The discussion will be mainly based on various case scenarios in endometriosis and with infertility. The idea is to have a detailed discussion about how we can manage various aspects or various situations where endometriosis is causing infertility. There are a lot of controversies and difference of opinion regarding the management of the same during the young age as well as in the old age. So we'll be covering all the aspects and the outcomes based on the evidence-based practice. At the outset, I thank the organizers, Indian Fertility Society, for bringing up this discussion, and thank the Zydus Pharma for supporting this educational event, and the DocMod for the background technical support. Thank you. See you all.